What if I told you that this is the easiest way to set up for a live stream, and that is to use the EMEET StreamCam One. If you're a beginner looking to get into live streaming, then you will need this camera. The problem with setting up a live stream is that sometimes it gets too complicated. You will need a camera, wires, capture card, desktop. But with the EMEET StreamCam One, you can set up a live stream with multiple cameras and you can do it wirelessly. And with the app, you can make your live stream so much easier. With the EMEET StreamCam One, all you're gonna need is the cameras and your smartphone, and that is it. Let me show you what I mean. Let's unbox the EMEET StreamCam One. With the EMEET StreamCam One, what you will get is the case with the camera and accessories inside, as well as the instruction manual and the camera stickers. And when we open up the case, we will get the camera itself, the wireless microphone that can be attached to the camera, or it can be clipped on your shirt. You will also get the charging cable and the dead cat to reduce plosives in your audio. And here are a couple of product highlights of this camera. This camera uses a prime lens at the front, and this comes with a Sony sensor. This camera is optimized for indoor use with the Sony sensor, and it is meant to capture your video with great detail and minimal noise. This camera captures 1080p that supports HDR, and the entire system is wireless, and I'll show you later how easy it is you can set this up and how you can set up your live stream with this camera. As we continue to look at the camera, we will see the lens at the front. It has the microphone attachment at the top, 1/4 inch thread at the bottom so you can attach this to a tripod, and at the back you will see the power button, SD card slot, a microphone jack for external mics, and the charging slot. This camera has an 8-hour battery life for those who have long live streams, and as I've already mentioned, this camera has microphones included when you buy this product, and the microphones are wireless. You can either attach it to the camera or clip it to your shirt. It is totally up to you. And this camera system is connected to one another through the EMEET Stream app. One thing that you do have to keep in mind is that this does not come with a tripod. Those are sold separately. So let's set this up. Setting up the EMEET StreamCam One is super simple. Make sure to download the free app EMEET Stream. Set up your cameras, attach your microphones, and that's it. That's all, you're good to go. Once your cameras are set up, turn on the cameras, open the app, and right away it'll scan for EMEET cameras. Once the camera has been detected, it'll be connected through your Wi-Fi, and that's it. You're ready to live stream. With this setup, you can easily switch between the cameras with just one click. You can also turn on auto director, which would allow you to switch cameras within a certain time frame. You can also zoom in with the cameras, and you can use the app to live stream to YouTube, Twitch, or Facebook, and you can do it simultaneously. This is the video test for the EMEET StreamCam One. We're recording at 1080p, and it's being recorded straight to my phone. Although there is an SD card slot at the camera, you can go ahead and you can go straight and record, and it'll go straight to your phone. So right now I am recording at camera number 1, and then this is camera number 2. So right now I'm looking at camera number 2. I just used the app to switch, one-click switch between camera number 1 and number 2. So once again, camera number 1, and then camera number 2. It's so easy with the EMEET StreamCam One app. So to summarize the EMEET StreamCam One, here are 5 reasons why you should get this product. The first one is because of its wireless design. The wireless system is awesome. You don't need any wires, capture cards. All you need is the camera and your app, and that's it. Everything is connected and it's so easy to use. Which leads me to my next point, is that this is easy to use, especially with the EMEET StreamCam app. It is so easy to connect your cameras to the app, and it's so easy to go live stream on multiple platforms using the app as well. The third reason is of its powerful audio. It has microphones that came with the camera, so you don't have to buy extra microphones, and in my opinion, the microphone sounds pretty good. This is what the microphone sounds like with it close to me, and this is what the microphone sounds like if it's attached to the camera. Let me know in the comments below if How is the sound quality of the microphone for the EMEET StreamCam One? The fourth reason is because of its 8-hour battery life. If you have long live streams that you want to use this for, then the 8-hour battery life is perfect for you. And the last reason is that this is an all-in-one setup. The setup is so easy and you have everything that you need. You have the microphone, you have the cameras. All you really need to take care of is where to place it and if you have Wi-Fi at home, and that is it. With the cameras and the app, it's so easy to go live stream with the EMEET StreamCam One. Now, is there anything about the product that I didn't like? Well, I wish they came with 4K. For most platforms, this is good enough, but hopefully in the future, we'll see an EMEET StreamCam that is 4K. And that's it for today's video. In my opinion, the EMEET StreamCam One is a very good setup. If you're a beginner who's looking to get into live stream, then you really need this product. So if you're interested in getting the EMEET StreamCam One, there's a link down below so you can go check that out. Now, if you're looking for the best budget camera for YouTube, then click on this video right here to see how I created the best budget camera for YouTube. See you in the next video.